Hello guys, welcome to PrimeTech Automotive YouTube channel. I'm here with another video today. MG-3 resetting the service reminder, which is service light without a scan tool. First thing first, leave the driver door open, put the key onto the ignition, turn the key on. So using this button here, scroll to service until you see the spanner comes on and pull the headlight to on. So while you're pulling the headlight on, you need to press this button here. So you'll see it's been reset already. Alright, it's easy procedure guys, so I'll explain again. So leave the driver door open, put the ignition on, scroll by using this button to until you get the spanner mark, and while you're pressing the button on, put the headlight, like the high beam, just a stroke on towards this way while you hold in this button here. So it's reset to 10,000, the schedule in Australia. Thanks for watching guys. See you back in another video.